Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to log into YouTube channel studio. So guys, after log into your email, what you have to do, go to Google and search for YouTube, and after that click your YouTube here, as you can see here on the screen, and you make sure guys choose your Gmail account you want to log in to your YouTube, and from here go to this option and go to YouTube studio. Just click this option, YouTube studio, and you make sure log in with your Google account. As you can see here, this is Google account, and make sure you have logged into your Google account, and just go to YouTube studio and you will find your YouTube studio easily. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Don't skip, like, share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. This is YouTube studio, as you can see here guys.